Good morning. Can I see your passport, please?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have a ticket?
Yes, I have an e-ticket on my phone.
Perfect. Are you checking a bag today?
Yes, one suitcase.
Please put your bag on the scale.
Okay, here it is.
Your bag is 18 kilos. That is fine. Great. Do you have any liquids or dangerous items?
No, I don't.
Good. Would you like a window seat or an aisle seat?
A window seat, please.
Done. Here is your boarding pass.
Thank you. What is the gate number?
Gate B12. Boarding starts at 10:30.
Okay. And where is security?
Go straight and turn left.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice flight.
Good afternoon. Can I help you?
Yes, I am cold. Do you have a blanket?
Yes, of course. Here you go.
Thank you. Do you also have headphones?
Yes, we do. Would you like free headphones or premium headphones?
Free headphones, please.
No problem. Here they are.
Thank you. How do I use them?
Plug them into the armrest here.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Is there Wi-Fi on the plane?
Yes, there's free Wi-Fi for messages. For full internet, you need to pay.
I understand. And do you have movies?
Yes, you can use the screen in front of you.
Perfect. Another question. I have a connection in Madrid. Do I need to get my suitcase?
No, your suitcase goes directly to your final destination.
Oh, good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Anything else?
Yes. I have never flown before. I feel a little nervous.
That's okay. Many people feel that way. We are here to help.
Thank you. Does the plane shake a lot?
Sometimes we have small turbulence, but it is safe.
Thank you very much. You are very kind.
You're welcome. If you need anything, just press the button.
I will. Thank you again.
Good afternoon. Passport, please?
Good afternoon. Here is my passport.
Thank you. What is the purpose of your trip?
I am here for tourism.
How long will you stay in the United States?
I will stay for 2 weeks
Where will you stay?
at a hotel in New York.
Do you have a return ticket?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Do you have any family or friends in the U.S.?
No, I don't.
How much money are you bringing?
I have $900 and a credit card.
Okay. Are you bringing any food or restricted items?
No, I am not.
Good. Is this your first time in the United States?
Yes, it is.
Great. Welcome to the U.S.
Thank you very much.
You may go ahead. Enjoy your trip.
I will. Have a nice day.
Hello? Do you need a taxi?
Yes, please. I need to go to my hotel.
Sure. Which hotel?
The Blue Star Hotel downtown.
Okay, no problem. Please get in.
Thank you. Is it far from here?
About 20 minutes.
Great. How much does it cost?
Around $25.
That's fine. Do you take credit card?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. Can you help me with my suitcase?
Of course. I will put it in the trunk.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you need air conditioning?
Yes, please. It's very hot today.
No problem. I will turn it on.
Thank you. How long have you worked as a taxi driver?
For 10 years.
Wow, a long time.
Yes. If you need any tips about the city, just ask.
Thank you. It's my first time here.
I hope you enjoy the city. We are almost at the hotel.
Great. Thank you for the ride.
You're welcome. Have a good stay.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Green Garden Restaurant.
Good afternoon, thank you.
Would you like to see the menu?
Yes, please.
Here you are.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
The chicken salad is very popular.
It looks good. What about the soup?
Today we have vegetable soup.
Nice. I think I will take the soup.
Would you like a drink?
Yes, I would like a lemonade.
Sure. Anything else to start?
No, just the soup for now.
Okay, I will bring it in a few minutes.
Thank you.
Here is your soup and your lemonade.
Thank you. It smells great.
Is everything okay?
Yes, but can I have some bread?
Of course. I will bring it right away.
Thank you very much.
Here is your bread.
Perfect. The soup is delicious.
I'm happy to hear that. Would you like to order a main dish?
Yes, I will take the chicken salad.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Still or sparkling?
Still water.
All right. Your food will be ready soon.
Thank you.
Here is your chicken salad.
Thank you. It looks very fresh.
Do you need anything else?
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
Would you like dessert later?
Maybe. What desserts do you have?
Chocolate cake, fruit salad, and ice cream.
I will take the chocolate cake.
Sure. I'll bring it soon.
Thank you.
Here is your dessert. Enjoy.
Thanks. It looks amazing.
Would you like the bill after this?
Yes, please.
Here is your bill.
Okay, I will pay by card.
No problem. You can tap your card here.
Done. Thank you for the service.
You're welcome. Have a great day.
You too.